Hey YouTube family, I hope all is well. Guess what? Tomorrow is my birthday. So I wanted to show you guys I am actually just finished shampooing my hair. What I'm going to do is I like to be able to brush my hair before I prepare to be able to do a style. What I like to do, guys, is I like to get the fuzzies down. So what I do is I actually brush my roots and I brush my locks. I know a lot of people be like, "Oh my God, you brush your locks?" Yes, locks is just like hair. So if you brush your hair, you most definitely want to brush your locks. That will keep down the fuzz. I'm telling you, if you have a lot of new growth and a lot of fuzz, try this. Treat your hair just like you would your real hair. Now, you know you're not going to use no comb, but a brush can get it looking good, get it looking smooth, and that's how you want it. Again, just put it exactly how you would if it was your natural hair. What I'm doing now is I'm using curls. This is an excellent moisturizing serum that I love. Again, you can get it by Aussie. It's called Curls. It is so moisturizing. It does not take a lot. All I do is use a little bit. And like I said, I like to always moisturize my hair before I style it. So always know that. First get it moisturized and then you style. This is what you do after you finish shampooing your hair. Now, I am about to style my hair, y'all, but sometimes, to be honest with you, I don't style my hair. But it's my birthday tomorrow, my birthday tomorrow. Yes, May 2nd is my birthday, and I'm super excited, guys. And you know, I had to do me a birthday style, so I wanted something out of my face and really off of my neck. But you know, my hair is long, so it wound up not being off my neck. But when I say, guys, I love, 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 I call these lock wraps, but they call them single lock barrels when you do it to the how I'm doing the end like that. But when you're doing it looking kind of like a cornrow, that's when they call it a barrel roll. So I'm doing barrel rolls and I'm doing single barrel rolls when I get to the end. And when I say, guys, I love this, it's not super tight because sometimes, guys, you can do a lock style and it be super tight, but not, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Because I told you guys, I get a headache fast. So any type of style that I have, I'm instantly pressure on my head, getting a headache and ready to take it down. But this style, y'all, I have had it in and I am loving it. I most definitely will try it again. I'm going to walk you guys through the next one. I am talking to you, but guys, what you're going to do is at the end, use a rubber band. Only do it about 1 to 2 times. Do not make that rubber band tight because I'm telling you, you can break off your ends doing that. And what I do is I kind of do my ends going up and then I twist the ends like a 2-strand twist as much as I can, and then I loop it up and then put the rubber band on. But continue to watch, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Yes, 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 I have classes, guys. It is the summertime coming. Spring is here. You've been wanting to learn how to do a style. I don't care if it's natural hair. You want to learn how to lock. You want to learn how to take care of your locks. You want to learn how to do braids. You want to learn how to do lock styles. Contact me. It will be a one-on-one class that I can be able to give you. And I also have e-video. So if you're not able to come to me, I can be able to send you a video to be able to show you guys how to be able to do that. So guys, keep on continue to watch. I'm going to put all my information in the video description box if you want to contact me to do your hair or if you want to contact me for a class. I will love to do it. I am located in the Dallas, Georgia area. Okay, guys, sit back, get your candy, get your chips, get your water, get your juice, whatever. And guys, right now, please go ahead and press that subscribe button and that like button. If this video is adding any value, please go ahead and do that. And I'm going to walk you through this. So basically, guys, all you are doing is I took maybe about 5 locks and I just wrapped them upon each other. Once I wrapped around one and I seen that it was getting to the end, that is when I took my next one and I just kept wrapping, just kept on wrapping. You find the longest one and then you wrap. And then once you wrap it, you're going to get to the end. I like to tuck it, do your 2-strand twist. Okay. And then you tuck the end Let me show you to see. So you see how I'm tucking it? Go ahead and tuck it and go around the rubber band. I'm using pony bands because I don't want anything breaking my hair. Maybe about one to two. I mean, about about two times, no more than three. Because sometimes you do have to do three depending on how big the pony band is. But just be careful. Don't mess up your ends, your edges. No locks at all. Sit back, relax. Let me know if you like this. Hopefully I taught you something. If it did, I am excited. Look, guys, I am done. Yes, I am done. What you think? Press that like button if you like, guys. Sit back, relax, and check out the rest of the video.